आज ब्रेकिंग न्यूज में
एक ऐसी रेस बन गई है जिसका लक्ष्य है पैसा।
News channels are mostly ad-based news channels like.
किसी एक को नाम लेकर के पूरा दिन उसी को कहते रहते हैं जैसे लगता है उसने चैनल को खरीद लिया।
एक न्यूज आता है उसको इतना ही लोग
छोटी सी बात
बहुत बड़ी बना के बताते हैं,
विश्वास करना ही मुश्किल हो जाता है।
वो सोचते हैं कि हम जनता सारी बेवकूफ हैं।
नहीं, मुझे इस पर विश्वास नहीं।
मैं ज्यादा देखता नहीं, न्यूज देखता है।
चैनल्स नहीं क्यों, इंडिया टीवी एंड स्टाफ, दिस आर नॉट मोर देन एनी एंटरटेनमेंट स्टफ।
किसी भी चीज को हाईलाइट करना है, वही है ब्रेकिंग न्यूज।
पहले तो ब्रेकिंग न्यूज कुछ समझ में आती थी, अब छोटी छोटी चीजों को जिसका कोई भी महत्व नहीं उसको भी ब्रेकिंग न्यूज बना के पेश करते हैं।
I like about media, they pressurize the person on such people who are top political, big shots who you normally cannot be caught by.
लोगों तक खबर पहुंचाने का बढ़िया माध्यम है।
न्यूज में जब तक झूठा मिर्च मसाला डालेगा नहीं तब तक मतलब न्यूज उसमें मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा।
कुछ मसाला टाइप जो जोड़ देते हैं।
कुछ सनसनी होता नहीं, सब खुद बनाते हैं और उसको ड्रामाबाजी ज्यादा करते हैं।
जो सच होना चाहिए वो चैनल नहीं दिखा रहा है।
और कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कोई विशेष न्यूज चैनल किसी विशेष पार्टी को फेवर करता है।
After every news they just try to show up some ad.
वो टीआरपी चाहिए, बट उसमें भी टीआरपी मिल सके।
इनका तो एक ही संदेश होता है कि मेरा चैनल बिके, मेरा चैनल चले, मेरे चैनल पे जो विज्ञापन आ रहे हैं वो लोग देखें।
Create a hype for the products and everything like वो देखने को ख्याल
So Rahul, let me begin by asking you a question that everybody asks you. Is it a film about media bashing?
Media bashing? See, to start with, I don't know what exactly bashing means. It's like criticizing the media or
Being hostile.
hostile towards it. See, I think, Bana, to start with, I don't think media is a person or a group of people. It's a system. I would say it is like the media exposes and I'm exposing the media. So, technically, it's not a media bashing film.
What attracted you to making Run, and what was the trigger?
Yeah. See, the point is, whether I am from the showbiz or not, today a TV is a part of every house.
Okay.
And it's like a member in the family. So by the time you get up in the morning and you switch it on, like a monster, it jumps at you and telling you what all is happening and what you should think or feel or this about it.
आतंक के साए में मौत का तमाचा। हिंदू इलाके में हुए बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट के बाद और बिजनेस वर्ल्ड में क्या रियलिटी शोज अश्लीलता की तरफ मुड़ रहे हैं? हमें बख्श एक और हमला। भूत कहाँ रहता है? सवाल काफी पुराना है, एक ही सवाल है, लेकिन जवाब आखिर हमने ढूंढ ही लिया। पन्ना लापता है।
आतंकी अवतार ने कईयों को निगला
और कहीं हुए अनाथ।
हिंदू इलाके में हुआ बम विस्फोट। ये आतंकवाद आखिर देश से कब गायब हुआ?
तो फिर हम इसका क्या निष्कर्ष निकालें?
मगर ये छवि आज टूटकर चकनाचूर हो गई।
कैमरामैन आशीष के साथ विजय जोशी, इंडिया 24/7।
It's not so much about the technical aspect of how a channel is run, It's more about the psychological effect of what that box does to you and what it is capable of.
What made you cast Mr. Bachchan?
Mr. Panel, I wanted to see eventually the media, the nobility of a media is basically about a truth-telling machinery, and it safeguards the interests of the people. If that is somewhere at the core of what the media should be about, I needed a face which would represent that, and who else better than Bachchan? Actually, what interested you in the subject of Run? I don't mean it as in a story, I meant it as in the subject matter, something on the media.
I think that all of us have got various interpretations of what the media is and how it behaves and how it functions. And it was interesting for me to see an entire idea being developed around it. We are very influenced by the media. It is in our face every day on television.
Like even in Run, your character Vijay Hasrathan Malik is so concerned about what to do. I mean, it's not like he doesn't want to succumb, he doesn't want to compromise.
What came to me first was that, hey, I'm getting an opportunity to do something different. So
Yeah, that's.
If I have a certain interpretation of that character, I will recite those lines in my mind, in my manner. You would do it differently because you would have a different interpretation of that character.
Yeah.
I would look upon it as a challenge as an actor for me to do something different, something that's going to put me in a different format, put me in a different frame of mind, and whether I'm going to be able to pull it off, how the screenplay is going to be designed, how others are going to be falling in line with the script. All those factors actually make it very exciting.
Especially towards the climax in the speech, when I just couldn't get over that long 13-minute take which you've done in one shot, where on one point you're reporting and one point you're going through a certain feeling internally, and you also are aware on another level what it's going to do to the various characters in the film of what you're saying. Right. At the same time, you maintain such an incredible integrity of what a reporter is doing on television. I think those many layers, after me working with you in quite a few films, I was really zapped with the kind of a thing which you got in.
सबसे आगे सबसे करने की एक ऐसी रेस है जिसका लक्ष्य है कामयाबी बनाम पैसा। इस दौड़ में आगे रहने के लिए चाहिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा दर्शक, ऊंची टीआरपी जो तब्दील होती है ज्यादा एड, और एड रेवेन्यू का मतलब है ज्यादा दौलत। इंडिया 24/7 से आप सबका क्षमा प्रार्थी मैं विजय हर्षवर्धन मलिक आप सबसे आखिरी बार इजाजत चाहता हूं।
नमस्कार। 43 मौत, 55 घायल, 19 गंभीर।
देश में बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट होना इतनी आम बात हो गई है।
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज तो क्या, अब ये न्यूज कहलाने के लायक नहीं है।
अगर हिंदू मुसलमान में कोई रिश्ता हो सकता है।
What about the other characters? Because from the promo I can't make out much, except Ritesh looks very interesting.
पार्टी जी पिछले 30 साल से राजनीति कर रहे हैं। ऐसे में आप देश के लिए नया क्या करें? हर पॉलिटिशियन, हर देश सेवक इलेक्शन के दौरान यही कहते हैं।
The background of a subject matter like Run, for instance, where it deals with the media, it deals with the politics, it deals with various other concerns which touch the common man in everyday life. To that extent, when I told you the subject matter, what interested you the most about what the subject matter is?
I thought Run was purely because personally I had not seen a film which dealt with media or which would give insight into what happens in the world behind the television screen, or matter inside the television screen. So to just see a balance between or connection between media, politics and common man, and how the script deals with these three were extremely interesting. As in every character in this film comes through their own perspective.
Now the point is, your character, coming to your character, you have a certain righteousness. Okay, you join this channel, you look up to Vijay Harshvardhan Malik, who stands for that. Now, in today's times, do you think a character like yours can exist in the media?
I think it's possible to exist to a point you start. And for someone like my character, Apurab Shastri, to exist the way he is, I think he'll exist to a point. I don't think you can reach a height without the support of the system. That's my personal opinion. Purab Shastri is someone who believes that we have to represent the correctness of the society. Whatever is happening needs to be presented to the people. He talks about things through a common man's perspective. He talks about how you need to be responsible, and you are responsible people you elect. You are responsible everything around. I somewhere feel he's also someone who doesn't blame other people. He thinks that as a common man, you need to be responsible towards the society and you need to take that blame.
Then there is Paresh Rawal, who's playing a politician. And I always believed he's one of the most menacing characters, if you can look. But over the years, he's done too much of comedy, and I just wanted to experiment with him again in terms of getting him back into